Sugar has become the integral part of our life in regards of food. Whether it's a morning time or evening time, we tend to grab a tea or coffee with sugar cubes. A lot has been said regarding the excessive consumption of sugar which can cause side effects. Do we have an alternative for sugar? Let's find out in this video. I am Dr. Swapnil Nagwekar, founder of Dr. Swapnil's Health Arc. I post regular videos on health and wellness which will definitely make a difference in your life. In this video, you'll find out which is the best, whether it's a white sugar or a brown sugar, what are the health benefits of jaggery and honey, and among the three, which is the best sweetener. Let's find out in this video. White sugar contains 99.9% sucrose, that is 50% glucose and 50% fructose. White sugar is manufactured by processing and refining of natural sugars found in sugarcane. Ash, minerals, compounds that gives the sugar its color are completely removed. 1 teaspoon of white sugar contains 16 calories with no proteins, no fats, with 4 grams of carbohydrates. The white sugar is considered a part of an empty calorie food, hence with limited or no nutritious values, hence there are no health benefits of white sugar. Brown sugar undergoes less processing, so it retains most of the molasses. Brown sugar contains 93.5 to 96.5% sucrose and 3.5 to 6.5% of molasses. Because of the molasses, the brown sugar appears light brown or dark brown in color. Brown sugar contains less calories, 12 kilocalories per teaspoon compared to white sugar. Brown sugar also contains minerals because of the molasses within it. Brown sugar also contains iron and some elements like calcium, magnesium and potassium, but these trace elements are present in very limited quantity. Both brown and white sugar contain same amount of sweetness. Brown sugar contains different flavor compared to white sugar. Also, brown sugar contains more fluids compared to white sugar. In terms of calories, there is no significant difference between brown and white sugar. Jaggery. Jaggery involves a simple process of crushing of sugarcane to extract a juice. Then it involves heating to form the thick crystals and then solidifying in the shape of blocks. So what are the health benefits of jaggery? Jaggery gives strength to the intestines and helps in relieving constipation. 10 mg of jaggery contains 16 mg of magnesium, which is 4% of the daily requirement of the body. So magnesium is very beneficial for the intestinal health. Jaggery also stimulates intestinal peristalsis. According to Ayurveda, jaggery has a hot potency, so it increases heat in the body. Jaggery also stimulates secretion of bile from liver and gallbladder, which increases intestinal peristalsis. So this helps in relieving constipation. Jaggery helps in boosting immunity. Jaggery has a rich antioxidant component and also contains minerals like zinc and selenium, which helps in fighting free radicals in the body and helps in boosting the immunity against infection. Jaggery has a detoxifying effect on the liver. It helps in cleansing the liver by flushing out harmful toxins from the body. Jaggery helps in premenstrual syndrome. Jaggery has a positive effect on the uterine muscle because of the relaxant property. It helps in relieving pain and cramps before menstruation. Also, jaggery helps in relieving mood swings because of the release of the endorphins. Jaggery is a good source of energy, while sugars are simple carbohydrates that get instantly absorbed in the bloodstream, while jaggery is a complex carbohydrate that causes sustained release of energy for the longer time. Jaggery also helps in preventing weakness in the body. Jaggery contains iron, so it may be beneficial for people with iron deficiency anemia. Also, jaggery is very helpful in case of respiratory disorders like wheezing, bronchitis, asthma, because it helps in clearing the mucus. It has anti-allergic properties and also relaxes the respiratory muscles. Jaggery is power-packed with minerals. It contains a rich source of potassium, calcium, magnesium, manganese, zinc and other minerals, which helps in balancing the mineral requirement of the body. A rich source of potassium means the acidic levels of the body are well maintained and it helps in reducing hypertension. What are the calories of jaggery? 15 grams of jaggery contains 60 calories with no proteins, no fats and 10 grams of carbohydrates. It contains 70% of sucrose and 25 to 30% of glucose and fructose. Most of us like honey as a sweetener, and definitely honey is more sweeter than sugar because it has a very high fructose content. If you look at honey, it contains 50 to 60% of fructose, 20 to 30% of glucose and 10 to 20% of water. It also contains minerals, vitamins and other coenzymes. 1 teaspoon of honey contains 20 calories, no proteins, no fat and 5 grams of carbohydrates. So what are the health benefits of honey? Honey is rich in nutrients and it is less processed than sugar. The honey contains rich antioxidants which is called flavonoids. Honey also contains vitamins, minerals. Honey helps in reduction in bad LDL cholesterol and it increases the good HDL cholesterol. The antioxidants in honey helps in reduction in BP. Honey is also beneficial for seasonal allergy and it also suppresses cough and cold. It is good for digestion because it contains enzymes compared to sugar. Though honey has a very beneficial effect on health, it should not be consumed by infants less than 1 year because there is a risk of infant botulism, which is a life-threatening condition. Also, having excessive amount of honey is also not good for health because it can increase the rapid sugar levels. Let's compare between sugar, honey and jaggery. When it comes to sugar, a lot of people have assumed that brown sugar is a healthier version than the white sugar. But it is not correct. Both white and brown sugar are part of empty calorie food and it has very limited nutritious values and has a lot of side effects. Both brown and white sugar has very high glycemic index with very minimal or less quantity of minerals and vitamins. As a result, it can cause a rapid rise in blood sugar levels. In comparison with sugar, jaggery is a much better choice because it is less chemically processed. It contains vitamins and minerals, therefore it is beneficial to the health. But it should be avoided in diabetic patients because it has a very high glycemic index. Honey is the healthiest choice compared to rest of the sweeteners because it is less processed, low glycemic index and contains vitamins and minerals. If you are opting for honey, choose the raw dark variety because it contains a lot of enzymes and antioxidants. If you want to stay fit, healthy and fabulous, you need to focus on one word, that is moderation. Overconsumption of any of these sweeteners can have a bad effect on your health because it contains a lot of sugars and can add to your calorie values. So have these sweeteners in moderation. Let me know in the comments which sweetener you like and which sweetener you will prefer on a regular basis. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video.